I promise.
You know what I'm saying?
Same things, making drinks. Same things, making drinks. Making drinks, so we seen things. I just sipping back on nothing but water. Yeah, I'm just doing this shit, but I'm feeling bond. Yeah, I just kick it back. Now I'm hydrate. No way, I just sit it back and I fake. Flipping, I'm dipping, I'm skipping, I'm bringing it back. No, bringing it back to what I don't know why I say that. Oh, I'm just kicking here. Nah, not drinking beer, non-alcoholic. Yeah, that's just how I feel. Smoking weed 420 every single day. I'm just doing this. Wait, what's up in my brain? It's the K. It's the K. Yeah, got my nose bleeding
from the way it takes deep in breath. Everybody know gonna see this, yeah. Get it to pass it the left when I'm smoking the herb. You know I say when I hit in the turn, when I go real too fast. Tires burning, I'm gonna speech like that, gonna skirt like that when I cops on my ass. But I got a big 8-ball and I gotta gas it, I gas it, and I'm moving so fast. Shit gets a blurring. Mind is a stirring, your bitch is the kitty. I know it was purring, I had it to bounce. Get it the ounce, flipping your bitch and I know how to get it. I know I'm spitting, I know this shit is like lemony sticking. I know I'm flipping this bars and I hit it. Passing it back, smoking the backwoods in the back of a rack.
Flipping it, ripping it, I'm just sipping it. I'm just telling everybody what's just tripping it. Tripping on nothing, ripping on nothing. I'm just doing this, it's just something. We just on a flow. Wait, what's in those? What's in that baggie? It's the white dro. You just know it's the angel dust. Nah, I'm kidding, it's just cutting with all the shit that's fucking with us. Nah, we don't need that shit on the bus. Get off that shit. Nah, not a fuss. It's a fuss, we can bring it back. I'm just on this, yeah, take another rack.
Take another rack, I'm backpacking in. It's that narrow lanes, come in with that fire that burn your fucking chin. When you smoke the bowl, I'm toking those. Fuck your little hoe when I gotta go. Run out the spot when it's OG, but triple OG if you know me. I got that codeine slow speech. That slow speech, I hit your girl and tear the peach. And I run from beach to beach, it's me as I got the drink up in my hand. I be older than 100 grand that I spent on this. And the ice on my wrist got faded, but your bitch hesitated, cause the tabs it got her tripping. Codeine lean, it got her sipping. I know that I'm hella pimping, and I ate some hella drifting. Cause the Audi waiting, the Saudi bitch, she gon' tell me that the fountain wet. I'ma tell her that I'm down in it. I get ice and then ice the wrist.
Ice the wrist, what is this? I just write for things of bliss. I just do it for me, and I just do it for Messi. It's NZ and Messi back. We just do this on the track. We always like to bring it back to old school things, like the facts that we just always sitting here. Yeah, sipping on a beer, sipping on the dreams that we always try to steer for. This the flow, yeah, and you know we just seeing things, making drinks. We just seeing things, making drinks. Now we just making drinks, so we seeing things, making drinks, so we just seeing things, making drinks, seeing things, making drinks, seeing things. Messi NZ, bringing it back the old school ways.
You know what I'm saying?